Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rupert Techie. Hope everyone are safe and healthy. Today I am going to discuss on Angular environmental setup, like how can we set up the Angular in our local machine for development. Before going to our topic, I like everyone or the new viewers who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and click on the bell icon for more updates. So while doing our Angular environment setup, we will be doing the following things, which is download and install Node.js. We will see npm package installed in our machine and install latest Angular CLI. At the time this video is prepared, the latest version is 10.0.0. That is right now I'm targeting to the latest version, that is 10.0.5 version, and steps to follow or installation are open Node.js. We will come to this PPT once again once we install the Node.js. Okay, let's go and install Node.js. We'll type Node.js in Google and say download here. Go to this, it will navigate to the nodejs.org, or you can directly say node. If you know the URL, you can just directly go to nodejs.org and you can download it from here. Right now the Node.js version is 12.18.3, so I will say install here. It will install the MIC package or that exe file in my local machine. Now after installing, I'm just click on the Node.js. It will just show this pop-up here, and now click on next here. Click on I accept terms and conditions, and now say next again and next again. If you want any extra some necessary tools, those will be provided by the Node.js itself. So right now I don't want, so I'm not clicking on the checkbox here. I will say next here and say install. It will take few minutes for the installation of the new files. So the Node.js has been successfully installed in my machine. I'll say finish here. Now then get back into a PPT here once again. If you can see, the next step is to check like open node.js command prompt, and now we'll be installing the Angular using this command npm install -g @angular / that is / CLI @latest, which installs the latest version, that is 10.0.5, and we can check if the Angular is installed or not using the command ng -- version. Let us see how it goes. You can see Node.js has been installed, and you can see the folder here. Click on Node.js command prompt here. Now say ng hyphen version. Ng is not installed, so no, we will be having the npm package already installed. So using npm, we will be installing the Angular. Install g at the rate /CLI at the rate latest and click on enter. You can see the Angular version has been installing in our local machine. It will take few minutes for installation. Now the installation is complete here. So I will check whether it is installed or not. So what I said is we'll check using Angular, which is denoted by ng and hyphen version. So when you see this one, Angular CLI is installed. The version is 10.0.5 and the node version is 12.18.3. OS, this is my OS, and package version, Angular Architect, all the packages what have been installed, you can see it. Now quickly we will be creating a sample Angular application and Angular app and see how it goes and run the application as well. Okay. Now I will be creating the Angular application into a specific folder. So I will say in my local machine, and I will just target to my folder which I already created, which is Angular. Otherwise, you can create the folder saying md, that is make directory. Locally, it will create a folder, and now click on enter. Again, now I will say new Angular app and click enter. It will ask us, would you like to add Angular routing? Yes, I want the routing, so I will say yes. And you can see like we have CSS, CSS, SAS, LS, all these are new kind of style sheets. So I will be just going with this normal CSS and I will say select that one, or which has already been selected. So I will say enter. Now all the packages which are necessary will be installed to my project, which I'm just start creating. That is my Angular app. Let us wait for a few minutes and see after installation. Now all the packages are been installed successfully. So for better, I will say CLS here. I'll clear the screen, and now I will just run the Angular app and let us see. Before running that one app, we need to locate the project folder. We need to target to the respective project. So I will say cd. Our project name is Angular app. On this one and say ng serve -o. It will be automatically compiling the files, and it will be running our application in a new default browser setup. So in my local machine, I set the default browser to Chrome, so it will open in Chrome. It is saying like we want to use the Google privacy policy. I shall say no here. Click on enter. It will start compiling and it will open our application in the new browser or a new tab. It is compiling. Now you can see our Angular application is been running successfully. The port we are targeting is port 200 right now, which is the default port, and I can just I will show how can we open the particular folder using the editor brackets. Generally, most frequently we'll be using Visual Studio as the code editor for developing the Angular applications, which is developer friendly. Right now I'm just opening the folders and I will just modify this content. I will say some other thing. I'll just modify to other content and I will just show it to you. Say file to this is the brackets editor and I will say file open folder Angular, my Angular app, select folder. You can see the files E2E, node modules, SRC, all these things are there, which have been installed by Angular itself. No need to touch anything here. I will show the exact path. Like right now we'll be going to the app component. We'll be discussing in upcoming videos on each component. Right now, this is the default content which will be displayed from the app component. So I'll just say I go to DS here. String here. You can set the content which you want to display in the HTML. Say channel. Okay. Click on save. I can go to Node.js. For going there, I will just copy this one name. I will just go to the HTML here. Now the HTML content is empty. I will explain what is this braces here later. What is this bindings actually you can say. Right now I'm just leaving this, what it is and just I will display the content. You can see like automatically the Angular will be compiling to whatever content we modify and it will be displaying the content here. If there are any errors, it will not display any content here by default. So I think Angular environment is been set up successfully in our local machine. So try it yourself and see how it goes. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe and click on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you very much.